Upwork takes 10% from most contracts, while Freelancer can charge both project fees and bid costs before you even land a client. That one difference changes how fast beginners make their first real money. By the end of this, you'll know which platform makes more sense for your skill level, budget, and how fast you want to start. Straight answer first. If you're new, Upwork is usually easier to trust. If you're aggressive and willing to bid hard, Freelancer can give you more volume. Here's why. First, client quality. Upwork has tighter client screening and a cleaner hiring process. You create a profile, send proposals, and clients can invite you directly. That matters because less time gets wasted on fake leads or low-budget jobs. Freelancer is more open. That means more jobs get posted, but it also means more noise. You'll scroll through lower-quality listings, and you'll compete harder. If you're a beginner with skills like copywriting, graphic design, or virtual assistance, Upwork usually feels less chaotic. Second, how you get jobs. Upwork uses connects. Every proposal costs connects, so you have to be selective. That pushes you toward better targeted applications. Freelancer uses bids too, but it also has contests. That means you can submit actual work before getting hired. That sounds good, but it creates a problem. You can spend hours on a contest and still make zero. If your time matters more than experimenting, Upwork is safer. Now let's talk money. Upwork's fee structure is simpler. Clients pay, Upwork takes its cut, and the rest lands in your account. Freelancer adds more moving parts. There are project fees, withdrawal fees, and paid memberships that unlock more bids. That can work if you're closing lots of jobs. It's rough if you're starting with no reviews. For long-term growth, Upwork also gives you stronger reputation signals. Job success score, top-rated badges, and client history all help you charge more later. Freelancer has ratings too, but the system feels less weighted toward long-term trust. So which one is better? Pick Upwork if you want better clients, cleaner systems, and a more stable path. Pick Freelancer if you want more listings, lower barriers, and you're okay grinding through more competition. The quick recap: Upwork is better for quality, Freelancer is better for quantity, and your choice depends on how you want to spend your time. Your next step is simple. Make one profile on each, apply to 5 jobs this week, and track where you get replies. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more no-fluff breakdowns.